Let's make this 3D applique together. You need a stone chain, hemming gum, fabric glue, mini applique, your organza fabric, and a powerful steam iron. I'm using my Binaton steam iron because it's gentle on fabric. It has a special ceramic non-stick sole plate, so it doesn't burn your fabric. It easily smoothens out the ruffles and it does the job. So I cut out 2 pieces of organza for my working piece and gave it a really good press. After that, I layered my hemming gum on 1 piece of the organza. Then I placed the second piece on top and gave it a good press with my Binaton steam iron. And guys, this steam iron sandwiched both layers of the organza without burning or wrinkling it. I'm shook. Now I'm working with this almond shape and I cut out several pieces, placed it on the organza and I cut it out. Then I went ahead to burn the edges, so I have this leaf-like finish. On the almond shaped organza, I applied my fabric glue to the edges. On top of it, I put my stone chain. I let it sit for a moment to dry, and guys, this is how it turned out. Now you can stop here, but I needed extra drama, so I applied glue to the mini applique. I placed it on the organza and this is what we have here. Will you try it out?